A federal judge in Minnesota has ordered the Trump administration to finally come clean about why the hell they're even in Minnesota to begin with. Now, this ruling from the judge came as a result of a lawsuit seeking a restraining order for the DOJ, the FBI, and Homeland Security, which a Trump-appointed judge already said, yeah, we're going to do this for now. This is the main event, though, to prevent them from destroying any of the evidence obtained from Alex Pretty's killing. So this judge wants to know, why are you guys even here to begin with? Because if you have a legitimate reason, then maybe I don't need to do a restraining order. But the problem is, you've given so many conflicting reasons for why you're in this state to begin with that I don't even know how I can begin to make a decision because I don't have all the facts. So the judge, this is U.S. District Judge Catherine Menendez of the District Court of Minnesota, ordered them to finally come clean. Here's what the judge said in her order. To ensure that the court has provided all parties a full opportunity to be heard on the issues raised in connection with the plaintiff's motion for temporary injunctive relief, the court instructs defendants to file a supplemental memorandum. In the supplemental memorandum, defendants shall address plaintiff's assertion that the purpose of Operation Metro Surge is to punish plaintiffs for adopting sanctuary laws and policies, coerce plaintiffs into changing state and local law, compel plaintiffs to direct state and local resources to facilitate information sharing to aid federal immigration enforcement, and cause plaintiffs to direct more state and local resources towards holding immigration targets in detention for longer periods of time than otherwise allowed. So the reason the plaintiffs, which is the state of Minnesota, were even able to say these things is because of Pam Bondi's stupid letter. She sent a letter to Tim Walz on the day that Alex Pretty was murdered, or killed, I should say, because legal reasons, you got to say killed, saying, we'll pull ICE out, even though she has no authority over ICE, if you give us access to your voting rolls, so we can do some manipulation there. We want to know everybody that's on SNAP in Minnesota. And of course, give us your Medicare and other rolls of people on government assistance, which is in no way related to anything ICE does. Trump himself has said, well, we got to do this because of all the fraud going on in the big fraud investigation, which of course is being investigated. ICE is not a part of the investigation, so that makes absolutely no sense. And then, of course, Trump has also told us in the past that in Minnesota, there are roving gangs of Somali immigrants just all over the streets. He said, you can't walk down the street without running into a Somali gang. So all of these different reasons for why ICE is in Minnesota to begin with. And this judge, Catherine Menendez, is like, hold the hell up. What are you guys even doing? You guys are so dumb and incompetent, you can't even keep your own story straight amongst each other, let alone with the rest of the country. And I've got to make a decision on this. I have to rule on it, and it's only fair that everybody knows why the hell any of this is even happening. So, we'll see. We'll find out, I guess, the real reason why DHS sent ICE into Minnesota to begin with. And if it's anything other than we have to deport people, this administration's going to be in a lot of legal trouble. Thanks for watching, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and do not forget to like and comment and share widely among your friends.